With these three functions defined and our definition of a world, we're ready to create the main game. To do so, we're going to need to call a big bang that creates our world. The big bang function is kind of a funny thing, but it refers to the fact that the universe library creates worlds. The first world we create is passed to the big bang function, along with our three functions. From there, the big bang will repeatedly call our functions in response to the passage of time, also known as ticks, needing to be drawn, and the user pressing a key. So let's just write that out. We've got ticks, we've got drawing, and we have key presses. So we're going to remember those three things. In order to create our world, we're going to need an initial world. So we'll define a new constant called initial world, and we'll arbitrarily set it to one of the possible world values. And a spinner is either north, west, east, or south, so we'll choose west arbitrarily. Now we get to call the big bang function. You'll want to check out the textbook to see more about how this function works, but the core idea is it has special clauses where you specify specific functions. So we call big bang, and we give it an initial world. In this case, the constant initial world. And then we use the square brackets, kind of similar to cond, but a little different. And then we need to give it the three functions that we've defined. One for the on tick, representing the advancing of the clock, one for handle key, representing the user input, and one more for representing drawing. We'll use draw spinner for that. If this big bang function looks weird, that's because it is. Much later in the course, we'll explain a little more about how it works. For now, you mostly just need to know how to write the function so that you can hand it the functions you already wrote. Notice how I pass it the function names instead of calling it.